Hello everyone, this is Mirna from Mirna's Calm Joys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. My Moterm personal rings cover is here and I want to share it with you guys. So let's get started. First of all, I have to apologize if you hear any background noise. My little son is watching cartoons in the other room, so if you hear some songs or cartoons, that's because of that. But I wanted to film this video as soon as possible to show you the new Moterm cover. So let's go ahead. This is the new Elite Personal Rings Vegetable Tan binder that they released new on October 22nd this month. So I jumped on it and ordered it right away. It took a week and a half to get to me. So let's go in the box. It comes in this cloth bag as a protection, as most of you already know, and this is the cover. I took the colorway in Midnight and Grapefruit. So this is the cover without the big back pocket, and that's why I wanted it. Wow, this is so beautiful. Whew, the black, I don't have any black Moterm Veg Tan covers, so this one is really pretty. It's all pebbly and nice, so this will be beautiful when it gets patina and shine. It has one popper. Usually their luxe rings covers have two, so you can expand it, but this one is supposed to be more compact and flux. These are just the inserts. I'm going to put them aside. These are personal paper inserts. So this is the cover. Let me show you how you get it. They released it in 4 colors. It was this black with grapefruit inside, which to me seems like a light peachy color. It seems like an undyed colored in some very light peachy tone, which I don't mind. This will anyways get darker with use, and I was thinking even sunbathing it a bit to kind of get that patina and shine and darker color, just so stains don't show up right away. It has one pen loop here. It has these ring protectors to not dent the planner. So the main reason I wanted it is because it doesn't have the big back pocket. So this is for when I want something light and compact. And this is very, very light. It has the back slip pocket here. I might use it for receipts and small kind of papers. It has the left-hand side slip pocket, the right-hand side slip pocket, the secretarial small pocket on this side. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 credit card pockets, where yeah, these are short for credit cards, but you can, this is the long pocket. I can use this for decorating here, or if I want to take my cards with it. But it's really nice. Wow. Now I have one black. Really love it. I wish this pen loop here was also black, because it sticks out like this, but I don't know, with use it comes, like when you put your pen in here, it comes more towards the inside, so you're not really seeing it. But I really love this combination. Oh my gosh, love it. I will switch out the rings. I bought another set of gold rings. I'm also searching one black to have as a coordination with the black outer side. So yeah, these are 25mm rings. And I love that they put these ring protectors, so when you close it, it feels, it protects the outer leather of showing the rings sticking, and it won't be showing dents here in the leather outside because of those ring protectors. This is really thought out and really well done, Moterm. I'm really happy with this. I like that they put the tag inside. Usually it comes to the seam on this side, so this is really nice. Even though I would love Moterm to maybe put some of their stamps somewhere on the leather, but maybe this is easier for them. Anyways, for the price of 100, I think I paid total 103 Canadian dollars. You can't beat this. This is like super nice feeling leather. Yeah, it smells like leather, a little bit of leather glue, but I really love it. I think it will be perfect for winter and Christmas time. I can't wait to decorate this in December. I have several Moterm covers. I have Moterm Luxe rings in 2 colors. I have a basics plum that I also use sometimes as a ring cover. And I have my trusted caramel Versa cover. And this is what I'm using now. We'll transfer my inserts here so you guys can see. The Versa has this inner binder that you can pull out, and I'm using Franklin Covey compact inserts in here. For those of you who saw my system video, you know this. So this is a little bit bigger real estate in inserts, which I love. I just started using them this summer, so we'll see how it fits in the new cover. I'm still playing around with the setup, so I will film in detail setup of my rings to show you guys how I'm using it. But let's go and switch the inserts together. So these are this is my new pen. Let's put it aside. Let's start from the middle. I always go like this. I have some inserts that have to go out anyways, and we'll switch some of them with another set of Franklin Covey because I have some personal here left that I need to put aside that I don't need, and some I need to print more of. So we'll be switching inserts also for November because I have to put new weeklies and new dailies for November, but this is how they fit. It's the same fit because I'm using 25mm Moterm rings in here too. I just switched them for the gold ones, which I think look very nice with this caramel wedge 10 cover. I have some deco here, which we can decorate a little bit there, but let's see mainly how it fits. So this is the new setup. So this were my let's do it like that. Just, yeah, I don't know if this goes there. Well, we can leave this aside for now. Decoration is not really so important for now. I will put some other deco and maybe something else here. But yeah, this is how it fits. These are Franklin Covey compact inserts. So for those of you who are interested in this cover, this is how it looks like with them. It's really flush with the edge, which I love. You can also, mine are true Franklin Covey compact, which means 10.8 millimeters width. But even if you flush just, cut them like 3 millimeters shorter, then it wouldn't even come to the edge. I don't mind this. This won't be hurt in my bag. Like, I always put my rings in my bag, so this won't bother me. I usually always put it in my Coach tote bag that has a separate zipper pocket on a side. I will show it next time here on my channel. So this is in a separate pocket and doesn't touch other bag stuff. And here we can just pop a pen like this to the side, and yeah, closes nicely. Oh, this pen is a bit bigger. Usually I put that Parker Jotter thinner pen inside. And so this is the pen I was talking about. It goes easily inside here and doesn't bother the inserts so much. I wouldn't be bothered by that. I'm loving personal size inserts as well. I'm lately playing with Franklin Covey, and I love the real estate because I can journal and write long form in this, and I'm trying out some of the future work stuff in here to see how I like it. I can either go maybe 5 millimeters shorter, which is again still wider than personal. But I'm not bothered by this. Like, this is really nice. And usually I have other pen holders for my pens. So this is the pen holder I made myself from 2 pieces of leather with these elastics, so I can grab this, put in my bag, and go. Have to make one other newer one. This is now 2 years old, and it has a lot of patina. This was undyed leather. You see on this side it caught up so much sun. On this side is lighter, but I love to take my pens, especially lower range pens that I'm not worried about here. This is the new pen from my Scriptus haul, and yeah, I love this leather. I thought, okay, I'm not sure about this color, if it will get stained or anything, but I'm not too worried about it, honestly, because even if it gets some kind of marks or stains, I can just color it black to match the outside, and then I will have a totally black inside and outside cover, and that is why fine with me. Yeah, this is nice. Really love the compactness of this, which is similar to the Just Versa inner pocket, but the inner one doesn't have the strap. And this way I have two really nice compact covers. This is how it looks aside from Versa. So those of you who have Versa cover in personal size, if you love Franklin Covey in here, I think you will love it in here. The leather has here those ring protectors. That's why I think it just goes a little bit shorter on the side here when the inserts are inside. It's just like 2 millimeters, honestly. Otherwise it would go totally same size. So yeah, love it. I think it looks gorgeous. Perfect. So yeah, that's my little unboxing. Oh, by the way, do you love these? Look at that. Such a nice fall theme. I found this paper pack at Michael's for $5.50 or something Canadian dollars. It's so beautiful. This is the same one as well, and some they have some other footage in that pack. It's gorgeous. Perfect for fall. I just love it. So yeah, perfect with my little pumpkins here. Look at that. And the new honeycomb SD that goes so well with all of it. But this will go so good with my Christmas theme and winter. I will use my caramel now for some time more in November, and then I will switch out to this cover and the forest personal luxe rings in December. I will switch them out anyways and update you guys and show flip throughs, so stay tuned for that. And for those of you who use weeks size planners together with your personal or Franklin Covey compact rings, you can use this in this planner. I just put it like this inside, and I think, yeah, this would be good too. You won't be able to close, but if you want to take both in your bag, just put it like this. If you have a separate back pocket, it's fine. I would use it like that, or just close this and use this on top, aside in your bag. Really nice and flush. Wow, really impressed. I love this black midnight leather. It already got some shine from my hands now. It was, when I opened it, totally matte. I really like it. Okay, that was my little haul. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. I hope you love it. These are 25mm rings. Keep in mind, for those of you who like 30, the 30mm wouldn't fit the Franklin Covey compact, but the 30 would be really okay with those personal inserts. Maybe I can also show that. Let's remove some of these and put these personal day scent here, so you guys that use true personal size can see. Okay, so this is how it looks. These are personal inside here with 25mm rings. So I guess if you put 30, I think these would then come to the end like my Franklin Covey with 25. I don't know. I won't try to change the rings now because I love 25 rings. To me, they are easier to write on both sides of the paper. That's why I love 25mm. I have in my other Forest 130 still left inside, but whenever I write on this side, the rings are more bothersome. That's why I love these wider inserts, because it gives me more room to write on this side versus the thinner personal, like rings get in the way more. With this size, you have more room to write on this side as well if you want to. So yeah, that's it. This is my unboxing. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.